At Cosentino, we're excited to launch the Silestone Tops on Top campaign to the North American market. Join us for a wonderful night with iconic Cindy Crawford.
The acclaimed Mad restaurant in Houston was the place chosen by Cosentino to gather an intimate audience of leading architecture and design professionals from across the city and state to celebrate the continued alliance with Cindy Crawford and reveal her second global ad campaign with the brand. The event marked Cosentino's first celebration on US soil for the new campaign, following its global reveal in London, immediately following Fashion Week this past fall.
Well, tonight is a very special night for Cosentino because we are coming back to Houston. And Houston is the city where we started our business in 1997. And for me, it's a very special place because it's a place where I was living during 7 years, and it's a city that always I will have in my heart. For that reason, I think that this is the best place that we can introduce the new campaign of Cindy Crawford, Tops on Top.
The designers here are amazing. The design that is here between modern and traditional and transitional is the best. And that's the reason we thought we had to come back to where everything began, and because it's where our heart is.
True to the Cosentino family's heritage and hospitality, guests enjoyed delicious Spanish cuisine and cava, while Tannin country style and interiors editor Olivia Moore hosted an engaging conversation with the supermodel on her passion for interior design and its intersection with the fashion world.
I mean, of course, I'm known as a model and I had 30 years in the fashion industry, but I'm also a mother and a wife and someone who cares very much about creating a home that's not only beautiful, but also livable. And I think, what I love about the Silestone Cosentino products is that, yes, they're beautiful, yes, they're fashion forward, but also they're durable. They're made for life. With this new campaign, the idea was more to invite people in, a quieter, more intimate moment, what it would be like to be with me and my family at home.
The event tonight is amazing. We love seeing Cindy Crawford and hearing all about her stories, about how she became part of Cosentino and how much she loves it and how she lives and breathes interior design, which is very interesting to hear from a supermodel.